Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. The Dino was the Ferrari for everyone. While it didn't exactly bring about the democratization of the marque, it at least made Ferraris more accessible to more buyers than any model before it. From the launch of the first prototype at the Paris Motor Show in 1965, until the final 246 rolled off the assembly line in Maranello, Ferrari sold over 3,700 Dinos, more than any other model of the prancing horse ever. Before the Dino, it seemed every Ferrari made had a V12, from the cute little 1.5-liter Colombo V12 in the 125S of 1947 up to the big-gunboat 400 Superamerica, 500 Superfast and the 275 and 365 juggernauts. When the Dino came along, anyone with a decent disposable income, say $14,500 in 1969, could own a Ferrari. So the car's 50th anniversary is a significant point in exotic car history. But wait a second, how is this 50 years? Okay, a little history. The first Dino prototype debuted in 1965 at the Paris Motor Show. A year later it was shown at the Turin Motor Show. And a year after that, which was 1967, the production model was officially launched at Frankfurt. So wouldn't last year, or 2 years ago, have been the 50th anniversary? The car's 50th anniversary should really have been marked on 2017, admitted Ferrari in a statement. But any commemorative event would have been overshadowed by the Ferrari 70th anniversary celebrations. Hence, the decision to celebrate the half-century of another special event, the road debut of the first model in March of 1968. So using that logic, we're only 4 months behind, not 3 years. How do you say, whatever in Italian? The point is it's a really cool car and more than 150 of them showed up in Maranello to celebrate. On Saturday morning, June 30th, the Dinos descended on the forecourt of the Maranello Museum. From there they drove out to the Ferrari test track Verano, where everybody got to take a lap. From Verano they went to the Ferrari factory back in Maranello and the owners and drivers got a special tour. Finally, everybody got to drive their Dino under the arch of the historical entrance on Via a Buon Inferiore. Che giornata, che macchina. What a day, what a car. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.